On this edition of Changemaker, Jeremy Woodson talks about CRM for the mortgage business.
We call our product Unify. We just rolled it out a few months ago to our legacy clients that use the old CRM. We're planning on launching it fully at the MBA conference. And instead of having 5 different accounts with 5 different databases, which is completely inefficient, having 5 databases, we have it all in one database where all the tools talk to each other. We're just trying to take every single tool out there and make it simpler, No more multiple logins, no more high-cost subscription models. We say we take about $350 worth of subscriptions and trim it down to about $70 on a per loan officer monthly basis. And at the core of all of this is our CRM, which has this huge marketing library. Everyone knows 400 or 500 people that they have in their sphere of influence, and every one of those people should be in your CRM as a lead source. They might not need a house, but they respect you and your business, and you should be asking them for referrals. Without a CRM, you're going to be doing other stuff that isn't driving you more leads and conversion. You need to have a self-implemented micromanagement tool to keep you on task. You need a task management system. They all have realized the refis have dried up, so most of them are looking at ways to build their actual purchase business. And so we're having pretty good success convincing people that they need these tools because they need something to manage their leads. They need something to manage their contacts, the follow-up with their contacts, the appointment setting. Lead conversion is increased dramatically with the use of the CRM because you sort of micromanage yourself into following up with your leads at the appropriate times. Most CRMs have the ability to set up follow-up appointments, and you can set it out a certain amount of hours out, 5 minutes from now, 5 hours from now, 15 days from now. So it's really important to be able to manage even the smallest activities. It helps you not only with the lead conversion and follow-up, but also with clearing your conditions. You know your borrower is going to need a new pay stub and a new bank statement before closing, and you can set reminders for that. It just really helps you micromanage your day. And in my days where I implemented CRMs, I haven't always used them as a loan officer. I've been a loan officer for about 10 years. The best days, the best years were at Countrywide, where they had a robust CRM, and I was closing, no joke, 40 to 50 loans a month. And I attribute it all to technology, not just their LOS technology and operations technology, but to that CRM. It made me go through, at the end of the day, if I had any calls in red that hadn't been followed up, I'd have to stay till 8 or 9 o'clock at night to call them all. A serious loan officer that wants to make serious money, which is possible in this market, having your own self-adopted micromanagement tool in terms of a CRM, I think they should have it open all day long. I think it should be hours a day.
Changemaker Podcast is produced by RGA Public Relations in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. To be a guest on the show, dial 1-800-979-9049. RGA, podcasts that mean business.